Do you want to know how I exactly made over $1,000 in a month as a student? Then you are in the right video. Watch until the end for important details. Let's get right into it then. Everybody wants to make money, maybe for fancy clothing or a different lifestyle. So today I will divide it into three main aspects. These three aspects are how to start, consistency, and resulting. To start off with, you need a decent plan. Wait, but I don't know how to make a plan. Do not worry, I will explain that too. This may sound like an easy step, but it is one of the most important steps to start with a banger. For the best plans always have two parts: the effort and the income. If these two main aspects are balanced in a plan, it's more likely for that plan to satisfy you. But even though the scale is a little bit off, you don't have to worry that much, unless your effort is huge compared to your tiny income. Okay, now since we have a plan, now we can finally look into methods I used to earn $1,000 in 1 month. Logo designing is one of the best ways to start making money online. It pays around $10 per logo, and it only takes around 10 minutes to make one logo. Okay, but how am I going to make a logo? I don't know anything about it. You can't. Psych, of course you can. You can use 100% free websites like Canva to create the best looking logos in any format. Once you are done with your logo, you will need to stock at least 20 to 30 different designs to make the process faster. You will also need a market to sell them. Wait, not this market. Yay, this one. On Fiverr, it is super easy to create an account and start selling your logos. Once you are logged in, click or create a gig and make your advertisement. Around 1 week you'll start getting messages and will make your first sale. After 2 weeks, you will have between $100 to $250. After making some money, always pay other designers $5 to work for you and sell the logos for $10 each. I have made $750 using this method. Now we came to the last phase. Repeat the selling process until you reach a certain level, where people know you on Fiverr now. From that point, it will be much easier. You will create other gigs and start turning it into a real business. Before we go to the last point, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want a video on how to create the perfect Fiverr gig, leave a comment below. The last important thing is, if you want to make more money than $1,000 to $2,500, making logos will be slower for you. So that is why I prefer working on video editing and other graphic designing jobs when I make $1,000 in a month. When it comes to drawing with AI for free, the best option is Hypotenuse AI. Search Hypotenuse AI on Google and click AI Image Generator. Once you logged in, it's now time to create the actual art. You will have 7 days free trial. However, the good part is you don't have to put any credit card information. Anyways, when you are logged in, go here and start describing when you want the AI to draw for you. Alright, now we have bunch of pictures. But how are we going to sell them? Of course we will use OpenSea. If you don't know what is OpenSea, it is an NFT marketing website. I can't explain everything on one video, so for today I summarized how I earned over $1,000 in 1 month and multiplied it using different techniques. If you want more videos like this, drop a comment below and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, boy.